commercial kitchens get messy fast, and you don't have the time to constantly scrub down appliances. That's where Grill Smokehouse Cleaner can step in. Grill Smokehouse Cleaner is an NSF-certified concentrated alkaline formula designed to cut through the toughest grease and carbonize soils. Its foaming and decarbonizing action clings to cooking surfaces, helping them stay cleaner for longer, all while reducing the need for excessive scrubbing, ensuring a safer, more efficient operation in any high-demand food service environment. Perfect for use in restaurants, smokehouses, and institutional kitchens, this cleaner tackles buildup on grills, barbecue pits, ovens, deep fryers, burners, and food processing equipment. To use, follow the instructions on the label depending on what appliance you're cleaning. It is important to wear PPE, including rubber or neoprene gloves. If you're ready to get your commercial kitchen clean again, visit www.stateindustrial.com to look for Grill Smokehouse Cleaner and more.